Hi guys, we're back at it again. So today I'll be showing you all how to do plastic repair welding. As you can see, this bumper is torn up. It's a side sill, skirting, sill, whatever you wanna call it. Yeah, this is it. It's torn here. It's torn here. If you have a look, it's open up here. It's got a whole lot of damages. I'll just mark it up with the white marker so you can see it clearly. Yeah, but this is it. This is mainly the main damages here and here. So stay tuned. I'll be showing you all what to do and how to do it. We're back at it again. The DIYers, please like and subscribe and share and comment. Okay guys, I've marked it up. As you can see, where you're gonna see the white marks is where I'll be repairing. It's quite a shit still to repair, but yeah, this is the work I'll be doing. I'll be showing you all the tricks and hacks on how to do it. So what you'll want to first do is to identify where the code is. When you're working on plastic, you first have to identify on what code or plastic code you will be working on. So this one, the code is here behind. So I got the correct plastic here. As you can see on the rod, it says PPE/EPDM. So this is the code. It's a 3mm triangle welding rod. This is the code of the plastic welding, and this is the code of the plastic I'll be using. So yeah guys, since we've identified the job, now we're gonna identify the tools we'll be needing. Output sander and a die grinder with a small bit. These are the tools I'll be using to achieve the work. So the die grinder, the main purpose of a die grinder is to go into these grooves, into these small grooves, and you don't mess up. Yeah, just goes directly into these small grooves. And another tip guys I wanted to tell you, you see, as this is like this, what you normally do first before you start anything, it's good to always tape it. Use a silver tape, just tape it like this, which I will be using. If I don't get a silver tape, maybe I'll be using my masking tape, but it's more the correct way of doing it to say is to use the silver tape. Yeah, you just put a tape under it just to make it straight. Then you can start cleaning up, and then you can start to prepare it well. still gonna feather edge it more, but as you can see, the repair is done. Still gonna grind the inside for better finish, but there is no more hole. The hole is closed up. Welded the hole, used mesh wire for the inside for reinforcement. So yeah, for more DIY tips and on how to do it, please stay tuned and like, subscribe to this video. Yeah, so what I'll be doing on this side, so you can have a look. Clamped it. I want to just tape it because I don't touch this clamp, and then do the same thing what I've done on the other side with this crack. So yeah, that's how you fix a crack up, guys. That's how you fix a crack up, but it's different ways, different cracks, different damages.